Some goodbyes don't need noise. Sometimes you forgive in silence and choose never to return again. Silence after forgiveness isn't revenge, it's emotional maturity. Some people don't need your anger, they just need to lose access to you. Forgiveness is for your heart, distance is for your mind. You didn't walk away because you were weak. You walked away because they couldn't meet you where you grew. Cutting off communication isn't bitterness, it's self-respect. Psychology says when you stop explaining yourself, you've healed. Forgive, but never return to the place that broke you. Your silence is not empty, that it is full of lessons they will never understand. Not everyone deserves a second conversation. Some only deserve closure inside your mind. Psychology. When you forgive silently, your brain chooses peace over chaos. You're not cold, you're just done repeating the same pain. Letting go without announcement is emotional intelligence. Forgiveness heals your heart. Distance protects it. The moment you stop responding, you start recovering. They don't realize you've forgiven them until they notice your absence. Silent forgiveness is the rarest strength. Only deep souls have it. Your silence says what your words never could. I'm done. Forgive them for your peace, forget them for your future. Emotionally strong people forgive quietly, detach silently, and move on with grace. Psychology. When someone hurts you deeply, the real healing begins when you stop needing them to understand. Forgive from the heart, but protect your soul. Your silence is self-love disguised as distance. Some people lose you forever the moment they take you for granted. When you forgive silently, you stop fighting for a place you were never valued. Some endings don't need words, just distance, clarity, and peace. Psychology says silent forgiveness means you've finally chosen yourself. Forgive quietly, walk away gracefully, and let peace be the only reply they ever get. Thank you for watching Mindful Echo. Kindly subscribe to our channel.